welcome to my channel. This is Peace Heart Whispers, where you can come here to relax, meditate, and subconsciously inner heal your energy field with high vibrational healing art dreamscapes and Reiki art through visualization. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, or post a comment if you feel called to. For timestamps, please see below. In this healing art dreamscape, Mother Mary will help you reclaim your power back, wherever it was taken from you or given away, even if this happened on an unconscious level. She's here to help you get your voice back, your truth, your courage, your divine strength, and inner spark back, all of which are your divine birthrights, and she's here to do it in a natural and loving way. Use this high vibrational healing art dreamscape to visualize Mother Mary and her bright blue robe circling all around your throat chakra to transmute energies there where you felt you were silenced by aggressive negative energies, or where you felt that you were not able to express your truth fully, safely, and freely. This could be stemming from childhood, adulthood, or even a past life that you may not even be consciously aware of. It could be a family dynamic that you were born into, or societal, where you felt that you had to hide or suppress your inner truth and knowing, where you felt that you couldn't be your fullest self for fear of rejection, where you felt you were not able to fully express yourself because you had to fit the mold and be like everyone else or else. So this gentle yet powerful, nurturing Mother Goddess energy can help you alchemize, transmute, and heal this. Her creativity as a woman or female energy has also been stifled, so she understands how to transcend and heal this inner pain and wound. If you are a male, this will help you too, by healing and integrating your inner feminine divine energy or anima so that she is a strong and wise guiding voice for you. Having a healthy inner balance between your anima and animus is very important for ascension and the progression and evolution of our souls so that we can achieve our highest timeline, purpose, joy, and happiness in life, so that going forward you can co-create the peaceful world that is needed at this time. Mother Mary, or the divine feminine energy, will help you to heal any distortions within your anima, whether you are a female or a male. This is also a good dreamscape for helping you to receive as well. If you have trouble receiving, which is different than taking, then this will help you too. Mother Mary will help you unblock whatever illusion or distortion you may have against receiving divine love and abundance. This could be trauma-based, in which case she will help you transmute or dissolve this pain so that you are no longer blocked and can feel safe to receive divine love and blessings, where you will be able to embody your unique gifts or reclaim them if need be. She will help you to graciously receive miracles that God wants to gift you with, by showing you how to go with the natural flow of life and rhythms of the universe. In this way, you will be able to detach or let go of the illusory, fear-based lack mentality. Tap into this receiving divine feminine goddess energy to embark on your 5D journey to co-create a new world of love, honesty, community, understanding, compassion, truth, transparency, joy, fulfillment, passion, freedom, integrity, equality, and unity consciousness as the divine has created us. Mother Mary will help you reclaim your God-given birthright. You were created from the image of God. You are free and pure love and light. Listen to the brief guided meditation that follows, or skip right to the Dreamscape visualization to start your inner healing journey. We will now start a simple focusing and relaxation guided meditation, so get yourself as comfortable as possible for the next 15 minutes or so. Visualize a bright white golden bubble all around you for your protection. Call in your higher self, source, or higher power that you customarily call upon for your protection. This can be your spiritual guides, your deceased loved ones, ancestors, Christ, God, Goddess, or anyone of a higher power whom you feel comfortable with. Take a few deep, slow breaths. Slowly breathe in or inhale and visualize breathing in a pure, bright, white light. Then slowly breathe out or exhale and visualize all of your stress, tension, and worries or negative energy going away, leaving your body. Make a gentle swoosh sound with your lips as you exhale. This will help you to focus on your breath. With each breath, you feel more and more relaxed. You feel your muscles relaxing and any tension just falling away. You feel it gently falling away from your arms, your legs, your feet, your hands, your neck, your back, all tension falling into the ground. Slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out. You feel your entire body becoming much more relaxed, more balanced, more centered, free, and peaceful. Slowly continue to breathe in and breathe out as needed. When you feel ready, bring your attention to the dreamscape to begin.